distance, now I'm back on my feet. Just a man and his will to survive. It's the eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight, rising up to the challenge of the rivals. And the last known survivor stalks his prey in the night as he watches us fall in the eye of the tiger. Rising up to the challenge of our rivals. And the last known survivor stalks his prey in the night as he watches us fall in the eye of the tiger.
All right, let us hear from our judges, starting with Anthony.
Okay, you're the showman of the competition, and tonight I thought you really delivered. I like the addition of the guitarist. I felt the rock theme, and you didn't seem as in love with yourself as you usually do.
Conroy.
Yes, you are the showman of the competition. You performed well, you worked that song and everything that came together with it, and it sounded nice. Vocally, it may not have been the nicest song with your voice, but you worked the song really nicely and you came out very good.
Aline.
Yes, Jerone! Yes, yes, yes! So you're proud and you tell me so you have the eye of the tiger, and I believe you more than anybody else that was performing tonight. Great job with the guitarist. Philip did a great job, and he did not upstage you because he was there doing a great job, and still you held your power and your stardom. You're such a star. Why you win tonight, Jerone? Good job.
Thanks, judges.